Okay, there are two things today. One is gonna be me giving a review of my gym that I made on the rooftop. I'm gonna be giving you a review of that. And the second thing, I wanna tell you some basics about the workouts that I do to keep myself like in shape, not get skinny and not get overweight. I'm in that medieval. I showed you my fitness. Like this is for guys and girls, both of them. आप में से कोई भी इसको follow कर सकता है because it is not gender based. It is just a normal fitness routine that I follow. It is not something so unique that it is just for guys or just for girls. It is a simple tactic that I use. Last vlog was about me giving you a diet to what I eat every day, about the portion diet and everything. I go for high intensity interval training, what we call in the fitness industry as HIIT workouts. HIIT workouts can be of any sort. आप उसको किसी भी चीज़ में utilize कर सकते हो. You run for like 10 seconds max speed, and then all of a sudden after 10 seconds, for the next 30 to 40 seconds, you're gonna be at your normal speeds, like as if you're walking fast. You're not slowing down at any moment of time in anywhere during the workout, and you are just keeping up that momentum of hyping your heartbeat and slowing down your heartbeat. That really impacts your body in a vital way. Why it is so successful is that high intensity interval trainings have an impact on your body for like 24 hours after the workout, and that is proven. You can study on the links I provided in the description below. And then next off, I end my workouts off with some exercises in the morning exercises, and the most of them are like sit-ups and squats, a little bit of squats and sit-ups, because they prove to be really helpful in like finishing off your workouts with whatever you were doing in the morning, or move on to the next. Actually, I can show you just two machines right now क्योंकि हर machine complete नहीं है. It is still under maintenance and I have been working on them. So have a look at the machines first. Okay, what you can see right now is that I have two machines here. This one is the pulley. It is a back pulley, front pulley. You know all those exercises जो लड़के जिम जाते हैं उनको पता ही होगा. This is like the main thing. कि किसी भी जिम आप चले जाओ कहते हैं this is like for warm up and anything. One is a multi-purpose bench, and like it can go decline, it can go incline, it can go straight. So I have all of these functionalities in this. I can show you these two machines because only these are ready. बाकी अभी फिलहाल under maintenance. I want to give you some basic tips regarding gym के what are the mistakes. आप क्या गलती करते हो जिम में जाके that your muscle sizes do not increase. आपके cuts बन रहे हैं, you're getting your muscles defined but you are not able to increase your size. What is the common mistake that happens beneath it? I want to give those tips to you guys, right? The bicep curls, the most simplest exercise जो सबको जिस बारे में पता ही होता है कि what is a bicep curl. So let me start off with, this is a 4-on-4 dumbbell, like 4 kgs, 8 kg dumbbell. So what happens is कि जो common mistake लड़के करते हैं, like if I be someone like a common guy which has like little to zero knowledge about the gym, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna lift this dumbbell up and I'm gonna be like 1, 2, 3. Nah, you don't have to do that. You have your hands and you go like slowly, you go in and then slowly you're coming down. If you're trying to increase your size, you don't have to go for much reps. Rather, increase your weight. This is a dumbbell of, that was a dumbbell of 8. This is a dumbbell of 10. So I'm gonna do it with this. If I'm going to increase the size of my biceps, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna apply 3 sets of 12. So I'm gonna go with that. Slow in, slow out. Just keep increasing the weight gradually. Don't go for the tips that I had, और मैं ये तुम हर exercise में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. Like even if you're doing bench press, slowly lift up your barbell and slowly pull it down and try to touch it to your chest completely so that you are giving all of those negative force in this, and just feel it. Just try to work this out, and if it works out, please do let me know on Instagram. By the way, you're going to be following me on Instagram. That is necessary. Please do that. Okay, and done with the tips and done with the vlog as well. With that out of the way, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was a little helpful. Both of the parts, part 1 which was the diet plan and part 2 today which was about the workout. I hope this was helpful for you guys to actually get your bodies up in the gym or in the tracks. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog inshallah tomorrow. दुआ करना कि कल vlog आ जाए. अगर नहीं आया तो मैं Instagram पे बता दूंगा क्या वजह है, और वजह सीरियस है. That's why I'm trying to force you to follow me on Instagram. ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.